could it be? Under the plate of cookies, let's see. Ah, there you are, we found it, hooray! Draw the lines now, 1, 2, 3. Look at the palette, come choose a hue. Red, yellow, black.
Which color will you choose? Red, yellow, or black?
What do you think? Let's pick the blue. Dip your finger, let's make a bird line. Count them out loud, you're doing just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count backwards, let's try it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 bright birds, oh look what we've done. With the black liner, draw eyes and a wing. Oh look, a wonderful, magical thing. One little bird flies down from the wire, walking around, she doesn't get tired. Look at her footprints through the glass. Listen closely as the birds pass. What do they say? Chirp, 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 chirp. Show the bird picture, it's pretty and neat. Now grab a brush and a brand new sheet. Write down 2 numbers, 6 and 7. Green watery grass grows under the heaven. Draw a big cloud so long and so gray. Look, Mr. Sun wants to come out and play. Can you catch the sun? Oops, it jumped away. Try it again. Got it, no sun today. Let's connect the numbers, let's trace the line. The head and the body are doing just fine. Draw our 2 flappy ears, a nose and a tail. Color him brown, let's follow the trail. But his eyes are so sad, where do we begin?
How can we help the puppy?
He's wet from the rain, oh let's color him in. Put it in a file, let's slide it right through to make some more puddles brand new. Cut a white napkin, look, puddles appear. Glue them right down on the grass over here. 3 little jars of water we bring. Red, yellow, blue, let's choose the right thing. Which is the best color? What do you say? What fits the best for a rainy day?
What fits the best for a rainy day?
It's blue like the rainy skies. You chose the best one, you are so wise. Squeeze the pipette, let it drink from the cup. Fill it with water and lift it right up. Now make it rain, let the droplets fall. 1, 2, and 3, we can count them all. Drip, drop, see how they cry. So many tears from the clouds in the sky. Grab your stick and push drops around, chasing the droplets over the ground. Run, little raindrops, run to the pool, mixing together, oh that is so cool. Looking at the napkin, slurp, slurp, slurp. Drinking the blue paint, burp, burp, burp. The puddle is growing, it's magical, wow. Look at our drawing, it's colorful now. Open the paper umbrella right now. Give him a bone and look at him, wow. Our puppy is happy, he's smiling at last. All of the rain is gone in the past. Let's hang our pictures up on the wall. Birds and the puppy, we love them all. You are amazing, you drew it so high. See you next time, little artist. Goodbye.
Row the boat,
Oh,
we
no.
row the boat. Row the boat, hey, row the boat. All the family's on the boat. Yeah, row the boat, hey, row the boat. Mommy, row the boat,
Yellow.
Wow!
Mommy row the boat, mommy row the boat.
Orange.
Row the boat, row, 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 row. Daddy row the boat,
Pink.
daddy row the boat. Row,
Red.
row the
Good
boat.
job.
Up and down the stream.
Yellow.
Yes!
What is that I see?
Whoa.
I'm not sure, it seems so scary. Looks like some very sharp teeth. Or maybe it's a monster. I'm hiding under the sheets. I don't want to face my tears. It's big and it's so creepy. I don't know what to do. It's okay, darling, don't you worry. We're all scared sometimes. Sometimes it's your imagination.
Wow.
And you'll be alright. Yeah, hey. Baby, don't be scared. You
Fantastic.
will be fine. See if we can just turn on the light. There's nothing to worry about.
Whoa.
Take a good look. Magic water toy.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
water toy.
Aha. Plasticine.
Colors away. All I have to do is splash, splash this way.
Hot
That's
water.
my perfect color. What can I do? Green, green color.
Fantastic.
Where are you?
Violet.
Magic fruits would help me.
Yeah.
now. Red or pink, yellow or
Orange.
blue, purple, green. Which
Woo-hoo.
one?
Ha. Woo.
My dear friend, you lost a collar. Where is your collar? Oh, what do we do? I lost my blue collar. Oh,
Yeah.
not blue anymore. I want my collar back. Give me my collar back. I want my
Fantastic!
blue collar.
Purple.
Aha! Yeah!
Beige. Green. Red. Blue.
Oh.
Fantastic. Green.
Aha! Yeah!
Blue. Yellow. Blue. Gray. Good.
Uh-huh.
Woo-hoo. Orange.
Aha!
Yellow. Red.
Wow! Whoa!
Great.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes.
Whoa.
Yes, yes, yes. Learning exercise is the best. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump,
Red.
jump.
Orange. Yellow. Whoa.
Yeah!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. The bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Let's get it rolling, here we go. Up and down, around the world. Roll with us, we're on the bus. We'll
Great.
sing and Magic water
Yellow.
toy.
Red.
Magic
Yeah.
water toy. It takes that colors
Woo-hoo.
away.
Orange.
Wow!
Do is splash, splash
Woohoo.
this way.
Yellow. Blue.
I lost my
Fantastic.